Alright guys, we're here. Well, where's here? Well, here is West Rock Middle School, where I did some filming originally. And here's the trunk. Alright guys, anyway, I'm here at West Rock Middle School. If you guys don't remember this is like when I shot one of my very first videos. Actually, check this one out here. It was after I put the wheels on this car. Well, not this one, on the black one. So I'll just check this video up here. We're gonna do the lights. As you guys can see, old lights, new lights. Let's get these bad boys on. This is fun. It's easy, but it's kind of pain in the ass at the same time. I want you guys to take a look at this stuff. So you guys can see there, obviously the light's out, but like you see how that dirt right there, which tells me water, just from it here, water was coming down through here and into the light here. And then as you guys can see under here, and then all back here. And then as well as over here. A little bit of a mess, so I'm going to wipe that down real quick, and then we're going to put in the first light. Alright guys, so this is the waterproofing, whatever they want to call it, that goes on the back of here. So, and fortunately it just goes over the 4 bolt holes here, and it's got a pattern so I can actually follow this. Get this on correctly. It's weird, but okay. A little suspect to me. Seems like this. Okay. Weird. Whoa. So the only thing that concerns me is that it doesn't seem like that pad that I put on is supposed to be doing much, but I guess we're going to find out. I don't want water getting in there. These were expensive ass taillights. Alright guys, so got the lights in. Now I'm going to plug them up, which isn't that hard to do. Fortunately, you've got this plug here. Where is it? It plugs in right here. Voila! This right here though, they sent this little thing, which plugs into here. Not sure what that does, but we'll find out. Perfect. And where do I want to? So this has 3M tape, so I'm gonna actually put this actually on the inside of the light right here, just to be safe. I don't know if it wants it on the metal or not, but I think it'd be better off on the light. Whew, tight fit. Whole lot of wires. There you go, right there. All these have to go back in here, back in here. Whole freaking lot of wires right now. And hopefully this doesn't interfere with each other or whatever you want to call it. Get in. There you go. So dark in here. And done. Now I just gotta do the other side and then we'll check out the light. Okay, done. So I don't know, what do you guys think? I know it's dark out, but actually it's perfect timing. Look at that. Ooh, just gotta wipe these lights off because my fingerprints are all over them. Because I'm the shiznits. Okay, so I'm gonna sit you guys back here and then we're gonna start the car, test out all 4 lights. Wow, that's bright. Alright guys, so as you can see the taillights are in. One thing I'm trying to figure out is why this one seems to be flashing like that and this one is flashing normal. I'm not sure if that's the style of light. I'm probably going to have to call spec-d or somebody to figure out why they're not the same. It's weird, but whatever. But the lights still look pretty hot, boy. So let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Again, oh, yeah. You like that light? You like that light, don't you? On my face. So, anyway, let me know what you guys think about this sorry. About this video. We're going to get everything going in soon. You know, my garage is obviously full and things like that, so we want to get things in as soon as possible. That's what's going to happen. We're gonna try to do the suspension, the tires, hopefully all this weekend. Why is my voice going hoarse? I don't know. So again, everything's going in and going in soon because my garage looks like it's a mess. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you're new to the channel, again, welcome to all my subscribers who've been here. Thank you very much. Boo, I know I look like a ghost with the light in my face. So anyway, like I said, like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace. Ooh.